Yes, this book is a little worn, a little used. Not really a little, a lot. This is a great concept. The 12th week year is an amazing concept. It sometimes makes people think that it's by quarter, but it's really different than that. So, what I'm going to encourage you to do is a couple things regarding this. Okay, this book is by Brian Moran and Michael Lennington. However, really, it's about the concept of making every week count, making and not having a million things on your list of things to do, and then to connect emotionally, physically, financially, develop your plan, and then execute it. The thing that helps me with this is that I can really become distracted. Yes, distracted. Imagine that. Anyway, but what happens with this is it gives me a strategy that is so strategic. It allows me to accomplish things that could have taken me, let's say, a year. In some cases, last year I started the first quarter and it really worked, and then for some reason I stopped. Don't ask me why. However, I'm starting back this year and I'm being very strategic on it. And already I've gotten some things done that I wouldn't have gotten done had I not been using this construct. So if you're not familiar with the 12-week year, go out and look at some YouTube videos for it, and then invest in yourself and invest in the book. The 12-week year is amazing concept and it really, really works. So if you're looking to accomplish greater in a shorter period of time and to stay strategically aligned to what your purpose and your vision is, use the 12-week year.